Hey everyone, how's going there? Welcome back to my channel and my name is Sujal, and in this video I'll be talking about how you can build your own resume in a super attractive or in a pretty way so that your resume got selected by an interviewer. Right, and one more thing, everything that I will tell you in this video, the way of building resume for free of cost. I mean, you don't have to pay any sort of money to anyone in order to build a resume. Right, so before moving ahead, please do hit the like button and don't forget to the subscribe button so that I get motivated to make such more awesome content for you all. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before directly jumping to the main points, let's talk about how important resume making is and how you should make your resume and why it is so important to make your own resume. राइट सो चलते हैं इन सभी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर करते हैं. सो रेज्यूमे इज नथिंग बट अ काइंड ऑफ पेपर दैट डिस्प्लेज योर टॉप स्किल्स और योर ग्रेट वर्क दैट यू डिड इन योर पास्ट टाइम in a one single paper, right? And by the way, you can build your resume in 2-3 pages as well, but you should try to build your resume in a one single paper, and that will be much impactful. And try to just put everything in a one single paper, right? And here everything doesn't mean that you have to put every single work or every small work that you did in your past time. Don't do this mistake, okay? So just put those work that are much impactful. Got it? जैसे कि अगर इंटरव्यूअर अगर पढ़ते भी है उस चीज़ को अगर देखते भी हो तो लगना चाहिए कि यस यू डिड अ वंडरफुल जॉब इन योर पास्ट टाइम. सो इसलिए आपको उस पॉइंट को वहाँ पे मेंशन करना है जो कि ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल हो, राइट? And why I'm saying that you should put everything in a one single paper because sometimes interviewer got irritated by reading the 2-3 pages of resume. So lastly, I will suggest you to just make or put everything in a single paper, okay? And that helps you in got selected. There is one famous line and that says an excellent resume has the power to open doors, and this line means if your resume describes your qualification and what makes you perfect or unique to stand out among the others applicants, then you need a resume that markets your strengths and match for the job. Now let's talk about the shortlisting criteria. I mean कि interviewer क्या criteria को देखते हैं किसी भी resume को shortlist करने के लिए. So the first point is education or qualification. मतलब कि आपने कितना पढ़ाई कर रखा है पहले अपने पास टाइम में, वो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है, राइट? एंड नंबर 2 इज वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. आई मीन how much you did work in your past time or how much intern you did. And the third point is skills and knowledge. Number 4th is your personality traits, and number 5th is your hobby or whatever you mentioned in your resume. And the points which I discussed here is super important, so you have to mention at least these 5 points. So these are the points that are checked minutely in order to shortlist your resume. Nowadays AI comes to recruitment. I mean, there are kind of softwares that uses AI is added to your existing ATS. Now many of you will be like, what is ATS? ATS is simply application tracking system. These are the kind of softwares that uses your existing resume database to learn which candidate moved to be the successful and unsuccessful in the same role you're currently recruiting. So these software learns about existing employees' experience, education and other qualification and applies this knowledge to new applicants in order to rate, rank and shortlist the strongest candidates. This ATS technology has few pros and cons as well, but I'll not discuss much about in this video, right? So if you guys are interested to know about what exactly ATS is and everything about ATS, then please comment down below. I'll make a separate video regarding this topic, ATS technology. Now let's move to the laptop screen and let's see how you can build your own resume. So guys, let's talk about the few websites that allows you to build your own resume for free of cost. So the first website that I want to make you aware with it is Novo Resume, right? So this website, so as you can see the website here, right? So initially you have to register for this website, then only it allows you to build your resume. So I already registered to this website, as you can see here, my account. So after registration, then you have to click on build my resume. Just click on it, and it, as you can see here, just I will click on my resume, as I already choose one template from here. So I have not completed this one still. Just you can also switch templates from here, as you can see the option here. So just if I want to select this template, I will select this one. Then you can see here, as I got this template, right? So this website has a great template that you can use to build your resume. So you can consider this website to build your resume, Novo Resume. So the second website that I want to make you familiar with is Cake Resume, right? So as you can see here, my profile here, as you can see, I still have not built my resume here. So so you can also consider this website to build your resume as well. Got it? So just remember Cake Resume. Got it? Now the third website that you can consider is Resume Genius. Got it? As you can see the website here. So this is as simple like as I told you in Novo Resume and on Cake Resume as well. So you can use this website as well to build your resume. Just click on build my resume now, then you get started. Okay. So before build my resume now, you have to log in, then only it will allow you to build your resume. Got it? And as you can see the website, there are bunch of templates are available. Just select any one of these and just build your resume. Got it? So yes, these are the few websites which I want to make you familiar with, so that you can build your own resume for free of cost. So I think you people got the idea about like how you can build your own resume. Got it? So this is for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys enjoy this video, please do hit the like button and bombard to the subscribe button, so that I get motivated to make such more awesome content for you all. And as you can see my Instagram handle, go and follow me there, and please comment down below whether this video is helpful for you or not. So bye bye, stay motivated and peace out.